Welcome to the Ult1Mate Next Gen Towbar installation video for the Mitsubishi Triton Triton. The installation times for a professional fitter and beginner fitter are shown on screen. These are the parts that come with the towbar. These are the tools required for the installation of the towbar. We begin the installation by attaching the side plates to the chassis rails. Familiarise yourself with the 5 holes at the rearward ends of each chassis rail, which will be used to secure the towbar in place. Align the side plate to the chassis rail and place a number 4 bolt through the chassis rail and the vertical mounting hole on the side plate. Add a number 5 nut to the vertical bolt to secure in place. Position a mounting plate on the inside of the chassis rail, in line with the mounting holes on the side plate. Screw in 4 number 4 bolts through the side plate and chassis rail to secure the side plate in place. Loosely tighten the bolts so the side plates can still move. Lift the main bar and lock it into the side plates. Screw in 3 number 4 bolts to secure the main bar and add number 5 nuts. Repeat on the other side. Torque the nuts and bolts using a calibrated torque wrench to the recommended torque level on screen. Repeat on the other side. Tighten the nut connecting the side plate to the chassis rail. Tighten the bolts connecting the side plate to the chassis rail. Torque the nuts and bolts to the recommended torque level on screen. Repeat on the other side. Torque the bolts to the recommended torque level on screen. Repeat on the other side. Affix the towbar information label in a conspicuous location on the inner panel of the driver's door opening. We have now finished installing the Ult1Mate Next Gen Towbar for the Mitsubishi Triton Triton. Enjoy your towing.